shuffle, exposed all his drums, and that was hit very well by the bowler over there. That marks the end of the Taraj. And after 1 over, in fact, 11 for 1 in the second over. Batsman दूसरा योपाक जाए begin. He didn't time it well. There's a fielder there, and he takes an easy one. So back-to-back wickets here for Omkar, and Saish trying to go down the ground departs. Is 11 for 2. This time, this might go for 6 run. This might be the first 6. Oh yes, just over Ganesh. First 6 of Kakoda Premier League 2. So Adil starts off with the 6 here of Kakoda Premier League Season 2.0, and that is a lovely bowling here. Deep is a star bowler. He has played many times in Panchayat Municipality, picked up hat-tricks, picked up so many wickets up against an experienced campaigner. He's struggling with the bat at the moment, James. You can see that's in the air. There's a protection in the deep, in the extra covers region. Just gets a single. 18 runs. So far the bowling has been impeccable. They've kept the batters in check, and they are bowling quickly as well. Over rate has been good, and this is now Adil. He has already hit 1-6. That's good bowling. That's really good bowling here. Fast and furious from Deep. That's the reason why Sapne Sawant wanted him in the side. He bowls very well on this wicket because he skids the ball. He bowls it fast. Exciting time side here in Kakoda Premier League. Slowly and steadily the crowd is coming. The players are coming. You can see he's trying to play the shot on the leg side. Very late to play that, as Deep is slightly quicker compared to other bowlers around in Kakoda Premier League. Volume strikers will definitely miss the services of their captain and icon Sunil Sawant, who has to join the services today. So big loss you can say for Volume strikers, who can't do much. So you got to play with whichever team you have, and this should be just a single. So apart from that 1-6, hardly anything has hit right chord of the right part of the bat. This is the problem so far with the batting. 20 for the loss of those wickets that have fallen down. 2 wickets. James still on the wicket. Adil trying hard. Another short ball. There's a man there in the deep. Plays an uppercut shot in the extra covers. They are just getting the singles, not finding the gap. Bowlers are keeping the batters in check still at this point of time. And that is also a very quick over. Good over rate maintained by Pine Talk strikers. 3 overs gone. 21 for the loss of 2. So here is the last over of the first innings. Ah, that's cleaning him up. What a ball. This is absolutely fantastic. Knocked over the leg stump out of the ground. Adil goes back. Third wicket down. 21 for 3. पहिलो कॉल होता गिरीश वॉरियर्स आणि लोकमान वॉरियर्स हांच्या कॅप्टनाक. गिरीश वॉरियर्स लोकमान वॉरियर्स व कॅप्टना खातीर पहिलो कॉल होता टॉसाक. मॅचीस टायमा प्रमाणे वतल्यो. मॅचीस स्लो जावपाना. लक्षांत दवरा 16 मिनटां दिल्या एक इनिंग्स कंप्लीट करपाक आणि त्या तरेन सध्या ही मॅच चालू आसा. सारखे टायमा भितर ओव्हर रेट मेंटेन केल्ले आसा पायंटॉक स्ट्रायकर्स. 21 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3. Shantanu. That's a wonderful shot here. What a pickup shot on the leg side. Slightly short and pulled away in disdain. This time Shantanu makes a little mistake, bowls it short, not too much of pace, just like Deep. He cannot hurry on. Deep has an extra pace. He skids on. Sagar getting a 6 of the very first ball. And that's a good ball. That's a good ball here from Shantanu. I think this is the same length that he got Adil out. See, the score is on 27 for the loss of 3 wickets. And it has not moved. They were expecting to get around 50, 60. It is still at 27 in the last over. That's a top edge and very well fielded by the third man. They are getting the single there. Once again a short ball. Looking to get. And that's out. That's good smart thinking here from Diptesh. Very, very smart from Dipesh. And he gets the man out. Good wicket keeping. 4th wicket going down at the score of 28. पहिलो कॉल होता लोकमान वॉरियर्स. तुमकां ऑलरेडी सांगला लोकमान वॉरियर्स आणि गिरीश वॉरियर्स. कॅप्टन जशी इनिंग्स काबार जाता ही तशा टॉसाक येवचो. Uddhav, new batter on strike. That's in the air. That might be a chance. Difficult one. Oh, lovely catch here. Beautiful running catch here at the long on region by RJ, and that's one more wicket for Shantanu. The score is 28 for the loss of 5 wickets, and not the best score you can say. You never know. This is the first game. In comes the captain, Daigo. That's a good bowling here, very good over, and that's a good finish as well. They finished well in time, end of 4 overs, and Valdemar Strikers have managed to get just 28 on the board, 29 runs required for Pine Top Strikers to win the tournament with a start. So let's see whether they can win and start the tournament on a good note. And request करता Valdemar Strikers match तुमनी जातीतले बेगीन ग्राउंडार देवचे. तसोच वो फुडलो कॉल होता गिरीश वॉरियर्स कॅप्टन आणि गिरीश वॉरियर्साचो कॅप्टन हांगा पाविल्लो आसा आणि लोकमान्य वॉरियर्स कॅप्टन बेगीन टॉसाक येवचो. We are all set. 29 रनाची गरज आसा. पळोवया पयली मॅच कोण जिखता. वल्डमन स्ट्रायकर्स आणि साईस सुरुवात करतलो बॉलिंगेक आणि सार्थक आसा बॅटिंगेक. सो सार्थक आणि साईश लेफ्ट एंड राइट इन कॉम्बिनेशन आणि आता येतलो साईश बॉलिंग घालपाक सार्थकाक. And it was a full toss ball, went for the switch hit, the very first ball. Saish saw the batter going for the switch hit and bowled it down the leg side. A pretty good start, although not the best of the deliveries to be bowling full toss. And starting off with a dot ball. They require to take early wickets if they need to win this game. Another one, this is in the air and this should have been taken almost very close in taking the catch. The ball deep down at the last moment in the short covers, getting a single, getting the left-hander Saish on strike. RJ. So it's time for the next game. Toss and umpires are telling the rules to both the captains of Lokmanya Warriors and Girish Warriors. So everyone is coming on time. That's good to see. That's a standard that we have to set as Kakoda Premier League if we want to increase the level of the tournament. That's nicely bowled, very nicely played, and a good piece of batting, trying to stop the singles in the mid-off region, getting a single over there. Just 2 on the board, so they are having a steady start. And Saish is a pretty good bowler. He is getting the 1 over, and he will be thinking to get rid of both these batters. They need to pick up both these batters. They are very dangerous, especially on this wicket. Sarthak plays regularly on this ground and knows very much the nooks and corners of this entire Foxstone. This time, once again, the ball not cleanly collected by the fielder. Should have been, you can say, the half chance if the fielder could have collected that ball. Another singles. So Saish is trying to bowl the full length deliveries at the moment. The batters are trying to drive the ball. They are not getting the elevation. They are getting 3 singles in this over so far. Once again, lovely shot, straight down the ground. No chance for the fielder to cut that off. Gets a boundary. So Saish gets himself off the very good shot. He has already taken a single previously to get himself off the mark, and now looking good. Score moves on to 7. Once again, nice bit of batting, could take 2 runs. There is a big gap between the man in the mid-wicket region, and man has to come at the long on region. So 2 comfortably taken here by the batters. So Pintock Strikers doing very good. They are playing the ground shot. They are playing without taking any sort of risk at the moment. Sensible batting here from Saish. So at the end of 1 over, it's 9 without loss. Pintock Strikers. So लोकमान्य वॉरियर्स टॉस जिंकल्या. पळोवया टॉस जिंकून कितें करता लोकमान्य वॉरियर्स. सध्या पयले ओव्हरीन जाल्ले आसा 9 रन. 29 रनाची गरज आसा उरिल्ल्या 18 बॉलांक 20 रनाची गरज. That's once again good shot. There is a man there in the deep. Should be cutting down to just a single. So we have seen, although the batters are trying hard to get the sixes, the bowlers have been pretty good as far as the line and length is concerned. So Daigo, the captain of the side, with the aim to get rid of one of the dangerous men here. 10 on the board without a loss of any wicket, comfortably going. That's some shot here. That is some shot. Oh, the ball has definitely gone over. So let's see. Umpire Kubana, organizers much sang kitte. It's a boundary. It's a boundary is what the organizers are telling. So umpire coming sangpak jay. So 4 run add zalle asa, score zalla asa 14. Once again, lovely drive here, wide bowled by you can say almost wide outside the off stump. Single taken, score moves on to 15. This time, this is a switch hit and goes long. So that's a magnificent over this for Pintock Strikers. They are going great guns at the moment, and the score moves on to 21. So just 8 runs required, and Pintock Strikers, both the batters came as openers, have struck 1-6 each. This time an outside edge, will looking to get a single, no chance. Good piece of fielding from the keeper James, fielding behind. So just 8 runs required, 8 runs away from the first victory. Lokman Warriors won the toss, deciding to field first in the next game. Sarthak looking to go for the big one and finish this off in style. Just getting a single down the ground, and there's 22 runs on the board after the completion of 2 overs. So just 7 runs required in the last 2 overs. Umpires, note karat. Amyak 1 बाउंस 2 बाउंस कितें गेलो जाल्यार बाउंड्री आनी आम्या लागून कॅच धरल्या कॅच आउट आसा. मुखाल्ले दोन्ही मुखाल्ले आसा त्या. This is in the air. This will be a chance, and it has been dropped here. Went for the switch hit, little slow to react the fielder, and just getting a single over there. So score moves on to 23. Just 6 runs required. 1-6, and that's it. All over for Lemma Strikers in the first game. This is league matches. You got so many chances to come back in this tournament, Kakuda Premier League. That's the reason why this tournament is organized in a league format. Yes, nicely bowled, very nicely bowled, trying to play in the point region, and Saish goes out. So good piece of bowling here, and gets rid of the danger man. So 23 for 1, getting the wicket in the third over. Strikers have won their first game quite comfortably in the end. So that's it. We know the result of the first game. Now it is request to Girish Warriors to take the field fast, and Lokman Warriors to take the field fast, and Girish Warriors तुम्ही जाण तुमचे बॅट्समॅन आसा ते जातितले बेगीन ही मॅच सारखे टायमार कंप्लीट जाल्ली आसा आणि अशाच टायमार आमी फुडें फुडें मॅची व्हरतले. सो लक्षात दवरात 16 मिनटान इनिंग्स कंप्लीट जावपाक जाय, नाल्यार तुमकां पेनल्टी आसतली. आणि तशेंच जे बॅट्समॅन आसा एक बॅट्समॅन वता जाल्यार दुसरो बॅट्समॅन भितर